Welcome to our detailed comparison of the TP-Link Archer ASIN and Archer Seat routers. We'll be exploring four critical specifications: wireless performance, security features, hardware capabilities, and software functionalities. Wireless. Starting with wireless performance, both routers offer AX1750 speeds with 1300 Mbps on the 5G band and 450 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band, suitable for medium-sized homes. The Archer ASIN features fixed high-performance antennas, while the Archer Seat comes with detachable high-performance antennas and beamforming technology, which concentrates signal strength towards clients for extended range. The Archer Seat's beamforming capability may offer a slight advantage in coverage and stability. Security. Moving on to security features, both routers provide robust protection with SPI firewall, access control, IP binding, and application layer gateway. They also support guest networks, VPN servers, and various encryption standards. Web, PAT2, PATWU Enterprise to ensure network security. Therefore, in terms of security, both routers offer similar levels of protection. Hardware. In terms of hardware capabilities, the Archer ASIN features a Qualcomm QPU, while the Archer Seat is equipped with a dual-core QPU. Both routers offer gigabit WAN LAN ports for faster wired connections, but the Archer Seat outshines with additional USB support, including a USB 3.0 port, allowing for faster data transfers and more versatile connectivity options. Software. Lastly, let's discuss software functionalities. Both routers support I4, EAP6 protocols, parental controls, various WAN types, quality of service quals, by device, and DHCP functions, while the Archer Seat supports TP-Link's on-mesh technology for creating a flexible network. The Archer Seat does not. However, the Archer Seat offers more advanced QoS capabilities with QoS by application, allowing for more granular control over network traffic prioritization. In conclusion, both the TP-Link Archer ASIN and Archer Seat routers offer impressive features, but they cater to slightly different needs. The Archer even provides reliable wireless performance and essential features at an affordable price point, making it suitable for standard home network setups. Meanwhile, the Archer Seat offers enhanced hardware capabilities and more advanced software functionalities, making it ideal for users seeking additional USB support and more extensive network management options. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision for your networking needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons.